Good morning students. Today third sum. Find the roots of the following equation. First subdivision, x minus 1 by x is equal to 3. Here for the first term no denominator is given, so we are taking that as 1. So now LCM for 1 and x is x. X square minus 1 is equal to 3. When we are taking LCM, multiply here with x. So I will get x square minus 1 by x is equal to 3. Now cross multiply x with 3. X square minus 1 is equal to 3x. Bring this 3x to this side. X square minus 1 minus 3x is equal to 0. Now rearrange and write this equation. X square minus 3x minus 1 is equal to 0. Now a value it is their coefficient as 1. So 1. For b value it is coefficient of x is minus 3. C value is constant term minus 1. We have the formula x is equal to minus b plus or minus square root of b square minus 4ac by 2a. So b value is minus 3. Formula itself minus is there. Write that formula minus into b value is minus 3 plus or minus 3 the whole square minus 4 into a value is 1, c value is minus 1. Just substitute in the formula by 2 into 1. Now minus 1 into minus 3 is plus 3. Plus or minus square root of minus 3 the whole square is 9. Here minus 4, here minus 1 is there. When we are multiplying, plus 4 by 2. X is equal to 3 plus or minus square root of 13 by 2. So first value x is equal to 3 plus root 13 by 2. Second value for minus x is equal to 3 minus root 13 by 2 are the required roots. Second subdivision, 1 divided by x plus 4 minus 1 divided by x minus 7 is equal to 11 by 30. Given condition x is not equal to minus 4, 7. If I am taking minus 4, then this term will be 0. That is what condition x is not equal to minus 4 and 7. For this part 7. Now first step we are taking LCM. For this both LCM is x plus 4 and x minus 7. So x plus 4, x minus 7. Cross multiply and write. X minus 7 minus is there in the sum, right? Here x plus 4 is equal to 11 by 30. Now remove the bracket and write x minus 7 minus 6 minus 4 divide by, now multiply x into x, x square, x into minus 7 minus 7x, 4 into x, 4x, 4 into 7 minus 28, which is equal to 11 by 30. Now here when I am adding, plus x and minus x will be 0. So I am cancelling. Minus 7 minus 4 will give you minus 11 divided by x square 7x plus 4x. Minus 7x plus 4x will give you minus 3x. Minus 28 is equal to 11 by 30. Now cross multiply. I will get minus 11 into 30 equal to 11 into this equation x square minus 3x minus 28. Both the side 11 are there. So just cancel that 11 alone. Minus is there. So we have to write that minus 30 equal to x square minus 3x minus 28. Now bring this minus everything to this side. X square minus 3x minus 28. When I am bringing this minus 30 to this side, I will get plus 30 equal to 0. Now x square minus 3x minus 28 and plus 30, when I am simplifying, minus plus 2 equal to 0. Here coefficient of x square value is a, that is 1. A is equal to 1. Coefficient of x value is b, that is b is equal to minus 3. Constant value c is equal to 2. Formula x is equal to minus b plus or minus square root of b square minus 4ac by 2a. Now substitute all the value. Minus is there in the formula, right? For b it is minus 3, substitute, plus or minus square root of minus 3 square minus 4 into a value is 1 into c value is 2 divided by 2 into 1. Now just simplify. Minus into minus 3 is plus 3. plus or minus square root of 3 square is 9 minus 4 into 2 is 8. Divide by 2. X is equal to 3 plus or minus, when I am simplifying, it is root of 1. Root of 1 is nothing but 1 only, by 2. So x is equal to 3 plus 1 by 2 first case. Second case for minus 3 minus 1 by 2. So here when I am adding 4 by 2 which is equal to 2. Here when I am subtracting I will get 2 by 2 1. Therefore the roots are x is equal to 2 and x is equal to 1 are the roots. Fourth sum. The sum of the reciprocals of Rahim's age in years 3 years ago and 5 years from now is 1 by 3. Find the present age. So ages are not given, they have given in terms of 3 years ago and 5 years from now, it is given as 1 by 3. So we are going to consider that let the present age be x. So if present age is x means 3 years ago what will be the age? The age will be x minus 3. Ago means before. So x minus 3. 5 years from now, that is after 5 years, what will be the ages? X plus 5. Given condition is sum of the reciprocal. So sum of the reciprocal is 1 by 3. So we have to take reciprocal also and we have to add also. That is what is sum of the reciprocal. So what is that? Reciprocal of this is 1 by x minus 3. Reciprocal of this will be 1 by x plus 5. So we are taking it as 1 divided by x minus 3. Sum is given, so put addition symbol, by 1 by x plus 5 is equal to 1 by 3. Now same conditions, take LCM. So LCM will be x minus 3 and x plus 3. So LCM is x minus 3 and x plus 3. So cross multiply and write x plus 5 plus x minus 3 is equal to, given condition is 1 by 3. Now simplify as it is. 1 here x is there, here x is there. When I am adding that I will get 2x. 5 minus 3 I will get a plus 2. Divide by same multiplication, x into x, x square, x into 5, 5x. Here minus 3 is there. So minus 3 into x is minus 3x. Minus 3 into plus 5 minus 15 is equal to 1 by 3. 2x plus 2 divided by x square plus 5x minus 3x will give you 2x minus 15 is equal to 1 by 3. Now cross multiply. When I am multiplying 3 into 2x is a 6x, 3 into 2x is 6 equal to x square plus 2x minus 15. Just cross multiply. Now take all these terms to this side. X square plus 2x minus 15. When I am bringing to this side it will become minus 6x. Here from plus 6 when I am bringing to this side minus 6 is equal to 0. Now simplify. X square. Here 2x is there, here 6x is there. Here it is plus, here it is minus. So when I am simplifying minus 4x. Here minus 15 minus 6. When I am simplifying I will get minus 21 equal to 0. Now A value is 1, it is understood. B value is minus 4. C value is minus 21. Same formula. X is equal to minus b plus or minus b square root of b square minus 4ac by 2a. Substitute in the formula. Minus is there in the formula, so minus. B value is minus 4. Substitute plus or minus square root of minus 4 square minus 4 into 1 into minus 21. C value is minus 21 divided by 2 into 1. Normal simplification only. Minus into minus 4 is plus 4 plus or minus a square root of 4 minus 4 square is a 16. Here minus 4 into minus 21. When I am multiplying minus and minus I will get plus 84 divided by 2. 16 plus 84 will give you 100. So x is equal to 4 plus or minus square root of 100 by 2. So square root of 100 is nothing but 10. So first case I am going to take it as positive and second case I am going to take it as negative. So x is equal to, when I am adding 4 plus 10, 14 by 2, x is equal to 7. Second case, when I am subtracting I will get minus 6 by 2. So minus 3. Age cannot be negative value, so we are not going to consider this. Therefore x is equal to 7. That is present age is 7 years. Fifth sum. In a class test, the sum of the Shifal's mark in mathematics and English is 30. So sum of the marks in maths and English together it is given as 30. If she got 2 marks more in mathematics and 3 marks less in English, the product of their marks will be 210. Find the marks in 2 subjects. So what are the informations given? Sum of the maths and English is given as 30, and one more condition is given, 2 marks more in maths and 3 marks less in English. Their product is equal to 110. So first we are going to consider, it is our imagination only, we have to consider the marks as x. Let the marks in maths be x. Then what will be the marks in English? Marks in English will be, it is given together, it is given as, that is maths plus English is given as 30. Now for English alone I want to know means this 30 minus maths. So I am considering maths as x. So English mark will be 30 minus x. First part. Second condition, 2 marks more in maths, that is maths mark is x. So 2 marks more in maths means x plus 2. And it is given 3 marks less in English. So English mark is 30 minus x. 3 marks less. So subtract it. 30 minus x minus 3 is equal to 110. It is given as product as 110. So equal to 110. Now simplify this. 30 minus 3. I will get 27 minus x. Now as usual multiplication. X into 27. So 27x. X into minus x will give you minus x square. Here 2 into 27, so plus 54, plus 2 into minus x is minus 2x. Bringing this 120 also to this side. Minus 210 is equal to 0. Now simplify. Here 27x, here 2x is there, minus 2x. When I am subtracting I will get 25x minus x square. Here plus 54, here minus 210. I will get minus 156 equal to 0. Now rearrange and write. I will get minus x square plus 25x minus 156 is equal to 0. Negative coefficient of x square we don't want. So interchange, multiply the entire equation with a negative. I will get x square minus 25x plus 156 is equal to 0. Here a value is 1, b value is minus 25, c value is 156. Same formula, x is equal to minus b plus or minus square root of b square minus 4ac by 2a. Substitute all the values. X is equal to, minus is there in formula, minus 25 plus or minus square root of minus 25 square minus 4 into 1 into 156 divided by 2 into 1. As usual simplify this. Minus into minus 25 will give you plus 25 plus or minus square root of 25 square is 625 minus here 4 into 156. So 624 by 2. When I am subtracting I will get 1. So root 1. Root 1 is nothing but 1 only. So first case I am going to take it as positive. Second case for negative. For one for plus, another for minus. So 25 plus 1 divided by 2. 25 minus 1 by 2. So when I am adding here 26 by 2, 13. When I am subtracting here 25 minus 1, 24 by 2, which is equal to 12. So if x is equal to 13, what will be that? Max mark is 13 means English mark will be 30 minus 13, 17. If x is equal to 12, two cases are there. If x is equal to 12, then English mark is 30 minus 12, which is equal to 18. So two answers we will get here. Max mark is 13 means English mark is 17. If max mark is 12 means English mark is 18. Both the cases are possibilities. Thank you children.